Hi guys, Ilan here from the EA Forex Academy. Welcome to the channel. Today I've prepared a video showing you how to install multiple copies of the MetaTrader 4 platform on your computer. It's a question that has come up in the forum, so I thought I'd just put together a little video showing you exactly how to do it and explaining to you why we do it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to ask me in the section below, and of course, if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe using the button below. Okay guys, so as mentioned in the introductory video, today I'm going to just show you how to install multiple copies or multiple instances of the MetaTrader 4 platform. So the first thing you want to do is choose a broker that you're going to use. In this example, I'm going to be using FXTM. Please do not take this as a recommendation to use this broker. It's just I have a few accounts with them, and it was just the easiest for me right now just to download the platform from their website to show you this demonstration of how to install multiple copies. So very simply, the first thing we're going to do, you're going to go to the file that you downloaded from your broker for the platform. You'll open it up. Okay, when it opens, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your settings. And this is the important part. So this is the default directory. Now, in order to install more than one copy, what you're going to want to do, you're going to need to change this name, at least on the second one, but we'll change it from the first one. And the reason is that obviously if you install a second copy into the same installation directory, it will just overwrite your files, your original files. So I use a very simple labeling technique. The first thing I do is I put it in my root always. I'll have the name of the broker, then the platform that I'm installing, so that's MetaTrader 4. Then from there, I will usually put in the name either of the asset that I'm going to be trading on the platform or the group of expert advisors. So just for simplicity, what I'm going to do this time is I'm just going to use Euro USD as an example. And then lastly, what I like to do as well is just put in my account number. So I have already set up two demo accounts. Which if you need any help with, just post a comment in the comment section below or a question in the comment section below. But like I said, I've already done it, so that's what we're going to do there. So this way I know when I go into my folders, I know exactly what I'm looking at. So it's in my C drive. I've got my broker name, platform, asset, and account number. We're going to uncheck that because we don't need that, and then we click next. It installs very quickly. Right, there we go, and it's finished. Now as it finishes, as you click finish, it will actually auto launch the program for you, or the platform for you. So that will make things a little bit quicker. Right, so obviously here it's giving us all the names of the various servers. Obviously all the ones that have demo on the end are the demo servers. So I've set up standard accounts, standard demo accounts. It'll be this server here. Just click on next, existing trade account. Like I said, I did already set up the demo account, so I'm going to put in the number. That's the same number that you saw in the name of the folder. Just put in my password, and there you go. If you look on the bottom right hand corner here, it's actually showing me that I am connected. That's my downloads and that's my uploads, and this is how it opens up by default. In another video I will obviously show you how to customize all of this and make it the way you like. But for the purposes of this video, I just wanted to show you how to install multiple copies of the MetaTrader 4 platform. Right, so that's one installed, so we know that that one's working. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go back to our file that we downloaded. Again, we're going to go to settings, and this is where, again, it's important. So here's what we're going to do here, same way. FXTM, which is my broker, MetaTrader 4 platform. This one just for demonstration purposes, we're going to go with Euro. Let's go with Swiss franc, and then again the account number, which I have set up before, which is this. Again, we're going to uncheck that, click next. Once again, we just wait a few seconds for it to install. Of course, the time will depend on your computer, the specs, the speed. Generally speaking, though, this really shouldn't take very long at all. There we go, it's finished. And there it is again. So what we're going to do is we go back to FXTM standard demo, click next, existing trade account. I'll put in the account number that I put in for my folder. You look on the bottom, there we go, and we're connected again. So guys, that's really it. I mean, depending on how many platforms you want to install, you just repeat the process. Of course, you don't have to use the labeling the way I've done it. You can just label them as MetaTrader 1, MetaTrader 2, MetaTrader 3, or anything you want really. The main thing is just that all of the directories that you install into all have different names. That way you'll be able to open them up individually and you'll be able to use them individually. Like I said, the reason I do this is I like to have each group of EAs or each asset that I trade on a separate platform, so that when I analyze it in FX Blue, which again we'll cover in a later video, when I analyze it, I can just look at that specific group of assets and analyze just that specific group of assets. Okay guys, so that's about it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please post them in the section below, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. Thanks so much for watching.